and today I will show you how to make drawstring bag. I'm using Tula Pink cotton. Width of this fabric is 45 inches or 110 centimeters and I need 1 yard or 90 centimeters. Lining. Width of this fabric 45 inches or 110 centimeters and length 0.7 yards or 60 centimeters. Drawstring. Length 3.5 yards or 3 meters 20 centimeters and webbing 50 centimeters or 0.6 yards and width 3/4 or 2 centimeters. Before cutting fabric, I always press it. Please press your fabric before cutting pattern out from fabric. Let's make pocket. Fold and press the top edge of the pocket to the wrong side. Along hem line, you should have notches there. Fold draw edges inside and press again. Fold in 5/8 or 1.5 centimeters edges around the pocket and press. Top stitch pocket along top edge. Place the pocket on the lining piece with pocket placement markings. Sew pocket to the lining. Let's sew lining. Place lining pieces correct sides facing. Stitch sides together. Leave a turning opening around 10 inches or 25 centimeters in the bottom seam. Let's prepare the handle and loops. Fold piece 2 handle and straps in the middle lengthwise with the wrong sides together and press it before starting stitching. Place inside webbing. Tuck in raw fabric edges and press again. Top stitch along long edges. Now let's make loops. Cut off twice 2 inches and 3/4 or 7 centimeters and leave the rest for the handle. Let's sew main bag pieces together. Place the main bag pieces with correct size facing. Stitch bottom twice. Stop stitch on the correct side along the bottom seam. Let's create loops. Fold each 2 3/4 inches or 7 centimeters pieces in half to create loops. On the correct side, position the side loops at the lower side of the bag. Loop touching bottom seam. The raw edges should align with the back edge and loops should facing inwards. Stitch loops a few times to the back. Stitch the sides. Let's attach handle. Measure 10 inches or 25 centimeters for the handle. Position the handle at the upper edge of the marking lines or notches. Pin in place. Stitch the handle to the back a few times. Preparing the drawstring casing. Place 2 pieces 3 correct sides together. Stitch short ends. Turn out to the correct side. Top stitch along short ends. Sew along long edges, approximately 1/4 inch or 0.6 centimeters, just to keep it in place. Fold and press casing pieces in the middle, lengthwise. You also can stitch along raw edges here. Press back pieces before attaching it. Let's attach casing to the bag. Position casing at the top of the bag, matching centers. Handle will be between the bag and casing. Sew the casing pieces to the top edge of the main bag fabric. Join bag and lining. Place the main bag inside the lining with correct sides together. I prefer to place lining pocket on the side with a handle. Align side seams and top edges. Stitch around the top edge. Turn the bag right side out through the opening in the lining. Top stitch the bag around the top edge. Attach handle to the top of the casing by stitching twice along the handle. Through the opening inside, on each back side, reach lining and back corners seam allowances, and join it with a few stitches just to keep it together. Stitch only on the seam allowances. Stitch the lining opening closed. And last step is insert drawstring. Divided this by 2. Safety pin.